Hello, green thumbs and fruit enthusiasts. Welcome back to Nature's Haven, where we're diving into the wonderful world of gardening. Today's video is all about growing your own fruit trees. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this guide will help you cultivate a fruitful garden oasis. So, grab your pruning shears and let's get started. Before we dig into the soil, let's talk about why growing fruit trees is such a rewarding endeavor. Not only do they provide delicious fresh fruits, but they also add beauty and value to your garden. From apples and peaches to citrus and figs, the possibilities are endless. Choosing the right fruit tree is crucial for success. Consider your climate, available space, and the type of fruit you love. Dwarf varieties are great for small gardens, while standard trees may be suitable for larger spaces. Research the specific needs of each fruit tree to ensure a thriving orchard. Now let's get our hands dirty. When planting your fruit tree, choose a sunny location with well-draining soil. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball, place the tree in the center, and backfill with soil. Water thoroughly to help the roots establish themselves. Proper watering is essential for young fruit trees. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during dry spells. As for fertilizing, choose a balanced fertilizer and apply it in early spring. Remember, a well-nourished tree is a happy and productive tree. Pruning is an art that encourages healthy growth and bountiful harvest. Remove dead or diseased branches and shape the tree to allow sunlight and air circulation. Prune during the dormant season to stimulate new growth and maintain an open canopy. Our fruit trees need protection. Regularly inspect for pests and diseases. Consider natural remedies like neem oil or introduce beneficial insects to keep unwanted guests at bay. A healthy tree is more resilient against common issues. The moment we've all been waiting for harvest time. Different fruits have different ripening indicators, so keep an eye on color, firmness, and taste. Gently twist or cut the fruit from the tree and enjoy the literal fruits of your labor. Certainly. Let's dive deeper into the importance of the introduction to fruit trees. Introduction to fruit trees, unveiling the beauty and bounty of your garden. Embarking on the journey of growing fruit trees is like opening a door to a world of natural wonders. Beyond the practical benefits of having fresh, homegrown fruits at your fingertips, these trees bring a unique charm to your garden landscape. Each tree tells a story, from the delicate blossoms of spring to the abundant harvest of fall. 1.1 Appreciating the aesthetics. Fruit trees are not just providers of sustenance, they're also contributors to the visual appeal of your garden. Imagine the burst of color when cherry blossoms paint the branches in spring, or the vibrant hues of apples and peaches dangling from the limbs in the summer. Fruit trees are living artworks that evolve with the seasons. 1.2 The diversity of choices. As you delve into the world of fruit trees, you'll encounter a diverse array of options, each with its unique characteristics. From the sturdy and reliable apple tree to the exotic allure of citrus, the choices allow you to tailor your orchard to your preferences and regional climate. 1.3 The joy of growing your own. There's a profound satisfaction in nurturing a tiny sapling into a flourishing fruit-bearing tree. The sense of accomplishment as you witness the first blossoms and eventually pluck the first ripe fruit is incomparable. Growing your own fruit trees is a journey that connects you to the cycles of nature, fostering a deep appreciation for the earth's bounty. 1.4 Enhancing your outdoor space. Beyond the intrinsic beauty, fruit trees contribute to the overall ambience of your outdoor space. They provide shade, creating cozy nooks for relaxation, picnics, or a quiet escape with a good book. The presence of fruit trees transforms your garden into a sanctuary, a place where you can unwind and reconnect with nature. 1.5 Building a sustainable future. Cultivating fruit trees is not just a present delight, but a gift to future generations. By fostering sustainable gardening practices and maintaining a healthy orchard, you contribute to the ecosystem, supporting local biodiversity, and reducing your carbon footprint. In essence, the introduction to fruit trees sets the stage for a journey that goes beyond mere cultivation. It's a holistic experience that intertwines the aesthetic, the practical, and the deeply gratifying aspects of tending to nature's fruitful gifts. As you embark on this adventure, savor every moment, from the first blossoms of spring to the joyous harvests of autumn, and witness the magic unfold in your very own garden. Certainly. Let's explore the intricacies of selecting the right fruit tree, a crucial step that lays the foundation for a thriving orchard. Selecting the right fruit tree, crafting your orchard with care. Choosing the right fruit tree is akin to selecting a companion for your garden. It requires thoughtful consideration, knowledge of your local conditions, and a dash of personal preference. Here's a closer look at the key factors to consider. Climate considerations. Before you start envisioning your orchard, take a close look at your local climate. Different fruit trees have specific temperature and chill-out requirements. Determine your USDA hardiness zone and consider the average winter temperatures in your area. This knowledge is vital to selecting fruit trees that will not only survive but thrive in your specific conditions. Soil quality and pay. Fruit trees have preferences when it comes to soil type and pH. Some thrive in well-draining sandy soil, while others prefer the moisture-retaining qualities of loamy soil. Conduct a soil test to understand its composition and pH levels. This information will guide you in selecting fruit trees that are compatible with your soil, ensuring optimal growth. Space availability. The available space in your garden is a crucial factor in choosing the right fruit tree. Consider the mature size of the tree, both in height and width. Dwarf and semi-dwarf varieties are excellent for smaller gardens, while larger spaces can accommodate standard-sized trees. Ensure that there's enough room for the tree to spread its roots and canopy without crowding other plants or structures. Pollination requirements. Some fruit trees are self-pollinating, while others require cross-pollination with another tree of the same or compatible variety for optimal fruit production. Understanding the pollination needs of your chosen fruit tree is essential to ensure a fruitful harvest. Be mindful of planting at least 2 trees if cross-pollination is required. Fruit preferences. Consider the fruits you love and would like to enjoy from your orchard. Whether it's the crisp sweetness of apples, the juiciness of peaches, or the tangy burst of citrus, your personal preferences play a significant role in creating a satisfying and enjoyable orchard. Research the varieties that align with your taste preferences. Disease resistance. Different fruit tree varieties exhibit varying levels of resistance to pests and diseases. Opting for disease-resistant varieties can simplify maintenance and reduce the need for chemical intervention. Research the common diseases in your area and select fruit trees known for their resilience. Seasonal appeal. Consider the seasonal appeal of the fruit tree. Some trees offer beautiful blossoms in spring, while others boast vibrant fall foliage. Choosing a tree that adds aesthetic value to your garden throughout the seasons ensures year-round visual interest. In essence, the process of selecting the right fruit tree is a blend of science and personal preference. It's a decision that shapes the character of your orchard and influences the fruits of your labor for years to come. So take your time, research thoroughly, and envision the delightful fruits that will soon adorn your carefully chosen trees. Happy orchard planning. Absolutely. Let's delve further into the essential aspect of the planting process when establishing a fruit tree. Planting process, nurturing the seeds of growth. Planting a fruit tree is a symbolic act of sowing the seeds of future harvests. The planting process is a crucial stage that determines the tree's early development and its ability to establish a strong root system. Here's a step-by-step guide to ensure a successful planting process. Choosing the right location. Selecting an ideal location is the first step in the planting process. Fruit trees thrive in full sunlight, so choose a spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Ensure the soil is well draining to prevent waterlogged roots, which can lead to diseases. Gently remove the tree from its container, being mindful of the roots. If the tree is bare root, carefully spread the roots out in the planting hole. Position the tree so that the soil level on the trunk matches the level it had in the nursery or container. And there you have it, folks. Growing your own fruit trees is a gratifying journey filled with sweet rewards. Whether you're nurturing a backyard orchard or adding a single tree to your landscape, the experience is both enjoyable and delicious. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature's Haven for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and may your orchard be ever fruitful. Until next time.